Good morning students, this is your maths class and today we are going to learn about finding fractions of a collection. Okay, we can find fractions of a collection by dividing. Okay, there is a collection of anything. If you have to find a fraction of it, you have to divide it. Okay, such as finding half of a collection. Okay, how do you find half of a collection? To find half of a collection, you divide it by 2. It's simple. Example, Akriti has 12 marbles. Okay, here they have given example. Okay, suppose Akriti has 12 marbles. Her mother asks her to give half the marbles of her to her sister. How many marbles sorry, how many marbles should she give to her? Now, to give half the marbles, okay, there are 12 marbles with Akriti and you have to give, she has to give half to her sister. To give half the marbles, Akriti has to divide 12 by 12 marbles into 2 equal halves. So 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So each part of the whole collection is 6. We write it as half of 12 is equal to 6. Okay. Thus, Akriti has to give 6 marbles to her sister. Okay. Now we can find in the similar manner we can finding 1/3 of a collection. Okay. So we can find 1/3 of a collection by dividing it by 3. Rahul, for example, Rahul bought 9 apples. Okay, here Rahul has got 9 apples from the market. Now he wants to share them equally with 2 of his friends. Now he wants to share these 9 apples equally with 2 of his friends. How many apples will each get? Rahul has to divide 9 apples into 3 equal groups. Now, along with Rahul, he has got 2 other friends, so he has to divide these 9 apples into 3 equal groups. So, how do you do that? You divide 9 by 3 and your answer will be 3. So, each part of the whole collection is 3. We write it as 1/3 of 9 is equal to 3. Thus, each friend will get 3 apples. Okay. Similarly, we can also find 1/4 of a collection. Okay, to find 1/4 of a collection, we divide it by 4. Okay. Now, over here in example, it's written, Yadut's father buys 8 samosas and asks him to distribute them in such a manner that all 4 family members get equal number of samosas. How many samosas will each member get? Yadut's father has bought how many samosas? 8 samosas, and he asks Yajat to distribute them in such a manner that all 4 family members, okay, will get equal number of samosas. Now Yajat has to divide 8 samosas into 4 equal halves, equal groups, so he will divide it by 4. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So each part of the whole collection is 2. Okay, we write it as 1/4 of 8 is equal to 2. Thus, each family member will get 2 samosas. Now here in exercise 7.4, it's written which fraction do the following collections represent? Take the correct answer. Here in question number A, you can see there are 20 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I did a mistake in counting, but actually there are 20 oranges over here. Okay, now out of 20 oranges, they have colored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oranges. Okay, now you have to take the correct fraction over here. Now you have to see with which fraction does the 20 oranges get divided into 5. When you divide it by 2, 20 by 2, you will get 10. When you divide 20 by 3, you will get a remainder. So this is not equally divided. Okay, here you have got 5 oranges. Okay, which are colored. Okay, so in question number 3, sorry, option number 3, you can see if you divide 20 by 4, you will get 5. Okay, so here you can see 5 oranges have been colored. Okay, and this is the correct fraction that that this collection represents. So you tick mark over here. Similarly, in question number B, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 balls. Okay, now out of this 15 balls, 1 2 3 4 5 have been colored. Okay, now which fraction again does this collection represent? Out of 15, 5 have been colored. Okay, so when you divide 15 by 3, how much will you get? You will get 5. 3 5s is 15. Okay, when you divide 15 by 5, you will get 3, but the balls that are colored over here are 5. Okay, when you divide 15 by 4, you will get remainder over here. Okay, so this is not the correct answer. The correct answer is 1/3 of 15. Okay, when you divide 15 by 3, okay, you will get 5. So this is the correct fraction which represents this collection. Okay, similarly you will do C, D, excuse me, E and F. Okay, now here in question number 2, color the fraction of the following collections. Here in question number A, it's half of 10. How much is half of 10? Divide 10 lollipops by 2. So when you divide 10 by 2, you will get 5. So you have to color 5 lollipops over here. Similarly, in question number B, it's 1/3 of 18. Okay, beads, here they have given 18 beads. Now in order to color in order to color the fraction of this collection, you have to divide 18 by 3. Okay, 3 6 is 18. So you have to first divide 18 by 3, you will get 6. Okay, so here you have to color 6 beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 beads. Similarly, you will do question number C, D, E and F. Okay, now we come to the word problems. Okay, in word problems you have to solve by writing statements, which you have done in all earlier chapters also. So here, look at here, it's written, look at the given example to learn how to solve a problem on fractions. You have to solve problem on fractions. Okay, example, in a test, Sarah got 7 marks out of 15. What fraction of marks did she get? Solution will be total marks is 15 and Sarah got how much out of it? 7. Okay, marks scored by Sarah is equal to 7. So here they are asking what fraction of marks did she get? So the fraction of marks that she got is 7 out of 15. 7 upon 15. Okay, in question number 1, it's written, now in exercise 7.5, question number 1, it's written, Mohit has 6 marbles, out of which 2 are red. What fraction of marbles are red? Okay, here you will write number of marbles Mohit has is equal to 6. Number of red marbles is equal to 2. So the fraction of red marbles is equal to how many? 2 upon 6. Out of 6 marbles, Mohit has 2 red marbles. In question number 2, they have asked a bowl contains 16 berries. Okay, out of which 1/4 are strawberries. There are different berries, okay, in a bowl, and the total number of berries are 16 over here, out of which 1/4 are strawberries. How many strawberries are there in the bowl? They are asking number of strawberries that are there in the bowl out of this 16 berries. Okay, now you will write, first you have to write total number of berries is equal to 16, fraction of strawberries is equal to 1/4. Now in order to find number of strawberries, you have to divide 16 by 4. So is equal to number of strawberries is equal to 16 by 4, which is equal to 4. 4 4 is 16. Okay. So in the similar manner, you have to solve question number 2, 3, sorry, 1 and 2. I have done it for you. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay.